Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Crashy Cats. It's a new game on the channel. And yeah. Also, can you guys in the chat please give me some ideas give me some video ideas. And if you do, then I might say your name from the chat. I might see you out or give you a shout out. And also, yeah. Alright, so let's start the video. Alright, let's go. Okay. Wait. Okay, I got this. I have a favorite cat in this game.
Yeah.
Oh, no, wait, I was trying to jump. No, okay, I'm gonna get my gift. Okay, 240 coins, nice. That's fine. Alright, let's go. We can do this. And in this game, what you have to do... you have to basically crash or break everything in the game. And you will get coins for it. Let's go. Alright, let's go, we got this. Let's go. Alright, in this part you can get, it's a bonus mode. You can get as many coins as you can. And if you hit the meteors and stuff, you can get a lot of coins. Alright, let's go. Got this. Okay. I don't... Oh no. Alright, let's go. Alright, 296 coins so far. Okay, let's go, we got this. Yes, I got a fish. I got a fish. Okay, 3 cats so far. No. Oh, they all died. Okay, well, hat available. Okay, let's see. 25. Unlock that to level 10. Okay, never mind. This is my favorite, by the way. I want it, but I'm saving up. It's 50. So, yeah. Alright, let's keep going. Let's go. We got this.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you want to see more of this game in my channel. Let's go. Ooh. No, I died. Oh wait, well not. One of them died. Alright, let's go. We got this. I love the noise whenever you knock down a human. Wow. What the? Okay. Alright, well. Oh, I hate ants. Okay. Alright. Alright.
Or guys, it's Rocky Gaming. I'm just looking at Nico. You're playing this game. I uploaded a video just like this too.
Yeah, make sure to check out his channel. He uploaded one of these videos too.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the panda.
No, you better not. That's my favorite.
I have 21 fish.
Oh, I have 26.
I'm gonna get the panda first. Just kidding.
All right. The most cats I've ever had was like 6.
Mine's like 8.
No, that cat
Couldn't
died.
count them.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, I have to go back to
I almost died.
Good.
Hey, stop it.
Go.
All right. Make sure in the chat to give me some ideas for future videos, cause I'm running out of ideas. Okay, let's go. Come on. I don't know I don't know what my farthest is. I don't know how to check it. But yeah. Let's go. TNT is so good. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I really thought I was gonna die. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna watch that. All right, we're back. Let's go. I got a new fish. Well, I got another fish. Boop, boop. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, now let's get as much coins as we can. Let's go. I love that you get so many coins from this. Let's go. Alright, let's go. 3 cats, that's really good. Come on. Oh, 4 cats. Let's go. There's so many. Okay, I have a lot of cats right now. What? 5 cats? No. Oh, yes. Wait, do I have 6 cats? I think I have 6 cats. 5 cats. No, 1 died. No, 2 died. No, I only have 3 now. Oh, no. I had 5 cats. Oh my god, 2 of them died. Take that. Let's go, we got this. Doesn't matter. I've made 200. Oh no, it's on fire. What the heck? No, get away. No, run. Oh, he died in the fire. I knocked him down and he fell in the fire. Oh my god. Wait, what? I didn't know you could. I didn't know that you can do that, or that can happen, but okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. These are annoying. Oh, Let's go. Okay. Alright, we need to win. Or, well, there's no winning in this game, but, like survive as long as we can. Alright. Get the key. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, also in the comments, if you know how, can you tell me how to make a thumbnail or something? I think that's what it's called. Alright. I also want to try and do some challenge videos. Oh yeah, comment down below if you want to see more of my dog. His name's Rocky. Comment down below if you want to see more of him. He's cute. Okay, let's go. Another cat. What? Okay. I can get the holo cat, but you can unlock it at level 10, and I'm at level 9, I think. Hold on. What level am I at? Oh, level 7, never mind. Should I get it? Nah, I'm just gonna wait till I get it. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and comment down below what I should do in future videos. Peace out.